Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to use have been in sentences. Have been is commonly used in the present perfect continuous tense. This tense helps us talk about actions that started in the past and continue into the present. Let's explore how it works. Firstly, have been plus a verb ending in ing is used for two main reasons. One, it actions that started in the past and are still continuing. For example, they have been studying for hours. 2, actions that have recently stopped but have a present result. For example, we have been working, so we're tired now. These uses help us connect the past with the present. Next, let's see how to form sentences with have been. The structure is subject have been verb ing. For example, 1, they have been running every morning. 2, we have been living here since 2010. 3, you have been waiting for an hour. This structure helps describe ongoing actions. Here are some examples of have been in daily life. 1, they have been working on the project all day. 2, we have been planning this trip for months. 3, you have been cooking dinner for the family. These examples show how we use have been to describe ongoing actions or situations. Now, let's talk about common mistakes to avoid. 1, using have been with a past action only. Incorrect, they have been went to the park. Correct, they have been going to the park. 2, using have been without an ing verb. Incorrect, we have been plan here. Correct, we have been planning here. Make sure to use have been correctly to convey the right meaning. Finally, let's practice with some sentences. Fill in the blanks with the correct form. 1, they have been waiting for you all day. 2, we have been working on this project since last week. 3, you have been playing the same game for hours. Practicing these sentences will help you get comfortable using have been. To sum up, have been is used in the present perfect continuous tense to describe actions that started in the past and continue into the present. Understanding how to use have been will make your sentences more accurate and expressive. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.